Alrighty, mathematicians, we are in Algebra 2. This is section 313. All right, and today we are going to do question 3-45. The instructions tell us to rewrite each equation below and then solve your new equation. All right, so we are going to do letter B right here. This is the question. All right, it says 4 divided by x equals our x plus 3. Now, notice we see a fraction. That's the thing that we don't like. Now, remember, how you get rid of fractions is you multiply by the denominator, right? Because fractions literally mean division, so we have to cancel that using multiplication. So we're going to multiply the entire thing, right? The entire thing by x. So essentially we are distributing this x into each thing, both sides of the equal sign, right? So notice when you do this, it would be x times 4 over x. The x's would cancel, leaving us just with x, just with 4 equals, then we're thinking x times x, which would be x squared, and then last but not least, x times 3, which is plus 3x. Boom, now we have a new equation. Now notice we have an x squared and an x. That means we're going to need a factor, which means we need it equal to 0. Does it equal 0? No, it equals 4. So we got to get that over. So subtract 4, subtract 4. Remember, combining like terms where we can, so this would just cancel, giving us 0 equals x squared plus 3x, and then that minus 4 just goes on the end. Now notice we have a trinomial right here. It equals 0, and so our goal is to do the zero product property. What we're going to need to do is we're going to need to factor, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and scroll over here just a little bit. We're going to draw our box. We're going to draw our diamond because, again, we are factoring, right? So the first thing that we are doing is we're going to put an x squared here. Again, first term. The last term, -4, we're putting that right there, and then our middle term, 3x, goes in the bottom. Red and blue make purple, and so -4x squared. The two numbers that multiply to -4x and 3 are going to be positive 4x and -1x. You put those numbers in the corners, just like so, and now we can think, what could we divide out? Right, so we could divide a 4, this would be an x, this would be an x, and this would be a -1. Now what we can do is we can go back to our original problem and rewrite this as 0 equals x minus 1, x plus 4. Boom, now into the zero product property, splitting these up, setting each one equal to 0, so x minus 1 equals 0, and x plus 4 equals 0. You add your 1, you subtract your 4, and you'll end up with two answers. X equals 1, and x equals -4.